Hello and welcome to Poseidon Tech. I'm Theo, and in this 1-minute tips video we will see what is the best and fast way to make cable connections. 3M Scotchlok connector. This small connector is for cable size 0.4 to 0.9 mm. So, as you can see here, we have one telephone cable with its cable size of 0.6 mm, one alarm cable with size 0.33 mm, one Cat6 UTP cable with size 0.57 mm, and one KNX bus cable with size 0.8 mm. Let's try to make some connections. The only thing that you have to do is to press the connector with any tool. I'm using this Knipex Scream tool for Scotchlok connectors. The advantages of this Scotchlok connector is that you can make connections fast, and because it has gel inside, can protect your connections from moisture. If you liked my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.